Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to TCS NQT 2021 live classes. And today our topic is quant section. Okay, so today we are going to cover some basic concept, some basic questions which is exactly came in our quant section. And basically, I just hold the classes for today only. I just restricted this one for simplification part because see, once we done the simplification part, after that we are going to see the SCF, LCF, and then further this will going directly implemented on the percentage profit loss in each and every one section. So initially, I just got a queries like. For some questions like a plus b whole cube questions or division questions like that, these are the basic concept we have already learned this concept already in the previous sessions, but for now, okay, uh for now we are just going to see that questions again and again. Like I'm just going to refresh your concept, okay, and after that we are going to see the actual question what they are given in our examinations. So before starting the session, let some students join the session, and those who have already joined, just let me know if they are able to hear my voice or am I visible perfectly or not. I'm just waiting for your answers. Just let me know this. Okay, I'm just still waiting. Anyone who can hear me, just let me know. Like my voice is audible or not. Yeah, okay. Thanks, Vatsal. Okay, so let's start with the session. I'm going to share my screen and after that I will start. Okay, so thanks, Jaya. Thanks, Karthik. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so the first of all, let me introduce the TCS NQT. Like Geeks for Geeks, especially form, okay, especially construct a very specific design our TCS NQT test series, okay, which course features is including the practice test with one topic. See exactly. See today, like today, we are going to learn about the simplification topic. So it's not like simplification is a very easy topic from the 9th class. We are learning these things, but the thing is like sometimes like at this time, okay, at this stage, like we are not able, like it's like we just forget something, some basic questions which exactly we have already learned, and these are very easy, very simple questions, but it's still we learn like board mass concept, okay, like the division concept, like the SCF concept. So for that, just you have to do what you have to do. You don't have to just learn a lot and lot about this one. Just have to go very basic things, okay. For that, we have practice question, mock test, full mock test, coding question, as well as see these two things, this mock and this full mock, okay. These two are very important because in this you will get the exactly time duration where exactly these things are going to be happen, and it's the kind of you are just able to see that TCS NQT test series, like how they are exactly taking the series, because in this all the questions are completed with a specific time. You have to go through this, then you will have there you also have the solutions as well as this marks also. So okay, so this whole things you can buy only about 499 rupees. It's not about the 999 rupees. For the specific period of time, the time for the prices is reduced. Okay. I hope for the daily basis, I'm telling you this thing. I hope you have gone through this thing and you have just visited the site. Okay. In this YouTube video, I have also mentioned the links where you can find exactly this series. Okay, where you exactly find some questions related to our Geeks for Geeks or the TCS NQT anything. Okay. So now I'm going to start my session. The first questions, okay. I hope let's start. Okay, here's the first question. Like if a plus b is 96, okay, these questions, I hope lots of people have already seen such kind of a question. A plus b is 96, then a is half of b, then the value of a is. Before starting this, I would like to have, because today I just include those questions we have already learned in 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, the very basic questions. All I want to recall these questions, like how we have done this thing, okay. Anyone of you who is exactly in our session, okay, can please let me know that how exactly the equation. First equation is very easy. First equation we have already, this is like a, okay, plus b is equal to 96, okay. This first equation we can make this because it's already given in our question. The second equation is what would be, okay. The second equation is a is half of b, okay. So it means like it's saying that a is half of b, half of b. Okay, so this, we have two equations. Can you please put this equation in the original equation and find the answers? I'm just coming to the chat box, see if anyone can give me the exact answer. 2a is equal to b. Okay, assume value of 64, then is okay. Yeah, good, Karthik. But the thing is, like, we have to go through our questions like exactly in the form of equations. Okay, good. I'm just making one very quick, because as I can see, people are getting the answers. So I'm just putting this one as like, it's like the answer will go through like b by 2 plus b is equal to 96. Okay, so it's like we'll go to through this LCM part, and this will be is like 3b plus 2. Okay, let me clear this one. So this will go like this. Okay, so it's like 3b by 2 is equal to 96. So b is equal to how much? Is 64. So once b is 64, then our a is equal to what? B by 2. So a is equal to 32. Any doubt in this? I'm saying this. I'm just including those questions who was very easy. Okay, you have already learned this. You have already learned such kind of a concept. But the thing is, all I want is like you have to go through this one more time, and after that, tomorrow. Okay, when again the quant class will going on, then I will going to show you the exact question what they are going to show. I just included one or two questions. It's like mild level question. I'm not including tough level. But TCS is going to include mild as well as tough questions. Today, I'm just putting those questions who are very easy category. Okay. Now, moving to the second question. Can you simplify this for me? Okay, 1/888 divided by 32 divided by 8. These are very easy questions. I hope you can do this. I'm just coming to the chat box. If you have just seen the question, I'm coming to the chat box. 𝗟𝗓𝗏𝗘, Karthik, anyone can solve that question? I'm just showing this question again. 1/888 divided by 32 divided by 8. What concept you are going to use in this question? See? Anyone? 𝗟𝗓𝗏𝗘, Karthik, just let me know. Okay. I'm just starting this question. Okay, so the question we have is 1/888 divided by 32 divided by 8. Okay, what we can do in this question is 1/888. Okay, so these are basically like this is also division, this is also division. What we can do is, can we write in how many way we can write this one? Any idea? Can we write this is like this? 1/888 divided by 32 divided by 8. Can we like this? Is it right or not? Let me come through the chat box. Is it right? Okay. Okay. See, I'm going to solve this one for you. Okay, maybe this question is slightly another different. Okay, so this is like, we can write this one is like this also. Okay, like I can write this one is divided by 1, 2. Okay, so it's like this divided by this, divided by this, divided by this. So as per our convention, this one will go upward. Okay, and this will go on this. It's like a same division. A divided by B divided by C divided by D. So our final is like A multiplication by D division by B multiplied by C. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so here I'm doing the same thing. It's 1/888 multiplied by 1 upon 8 multiplied by 32. Okay, so let's do the division part. Can we cut this one from this? I have already told you the how we are going to divide part. Okay, through the division of it, we have already learned this. Can anyone tell? Okay, let me go through this. Okay, 4 2 ja. Okay, and this will be 4 4 ja 16, 2 4 7 ja 4 2 ja. Okay, again this will be like it's like 2, 3, 6. Okay, again this will be like 16, and it's like 11, 8. This will go is like 5, 9, 59, and this will go like 8. So the final answer will be 8 7 are 56, 3, 24, okay, 6, 7.37, approximately this answer. Let me go through our options, see which option is correct. 7.37, our option number A. See, we have done nothing especially, it's just done that this concept. I have used only this concept, that's it. Okay, this concept, I told you have already learned this concept once you are very in the kid form. Okay, so you can already learn this thing. So I just used that concept, nothing else. Any doubt in this? I'm coming to the chat box again. Hi Pranjul. Okay, now moving forward to the another question. Okay, see this question. Find the difference of 1:3/16 and its reciprocal is equal to. See, so the question they are saying is like 1:3/16. Okay, what would be the value of a 1:3/16? If we are going to solve this, it's like 6, 3, 19, 19/16. Okay, and as per the question, the difference of this term as well as the reciprocal of this term. So reciprocal of 19/16 will be 16/19. Okay, so final the our reciprocal. So the difference will be 19/16. Okay, and minus 16/19. Now we have to solve only this one. Okay, let me go through the next page. See, now we have to solve only this one. So see, once you are coming through, don't just run for that 19 into 19 subtraction of 16 into 16 division by this. Okay, we have already learned a formula, a square minus b square. The upper concept is like this, a square minus b square. So we can write also this one is like a plus b. Okay, and this one is a minus b. Okay, so try to write this one. This one will be 19 square. Okay, so this is 19 square minus 16 square and division by 19 into 16. So 19 into 16, this will go is like a plus b. A plus b is like 19 plus 16. 19 plus 16. Okay, and this will be 19 minus 16. Okay, division by 19 into 16. Okay, so 19 and plus 16 will be how much? It will be 19 and 29, 35. Okay, and this multiply by this is 3, division by 19 multiply by 16. Okay, now this is very easy question. Now this question is easy. Now we can solve this one. Okay, so basic thing is why I am putting this question up is like, don't run for this division multiplication part. Okay, this multiplication part is not necessary. Only you have to do only one thing, like apply this formula. Okay, and then use this one, because after using this a square minus b square format will appear, and this a plus b and a minus will concept will also appear. So a plus b is 19 plus 16, which will come up to 35, and a minus b is 19 minus 16. This will come up to 3. Okay, and division by 19 into 16. So the overall value will be like this. And now you have to solve only this question. Okay, so this will be a kind of a division part. You can solve this one now onwards. I'm just, any doubt, I'm just coming to the chat box. Let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay, 105 division by 304, our option number A. This question. Okay, here through this I'm going to find out where is your cube root, and concept is how is it's your going on. So what is the value of, I'm just asking you 2 to 3 things. Okay, what is the value of a of minus a? What is the value of minus a square? And what is the value of minus a multiplied by minus b? Can you please give me the answer of these 3 parameters? What is the value of minus a, minus of minus a square, and minus of minus a into minus b? This question is completely based on this concept only. This is completely based. There is nothing else, anything I'm using over here. That's it. Okay. The convention of signs. That's it. Okay. So the first thing is minus of minus is anything is like this will be plus a. This is like I'm using this one. Okay. So minus a square. Okay. So minus will and minus of minus. This will already give you plus a square. And this is minus a minus b. Two negative number multiplication of two negative number will give you the positive, and then again multiplication of negative. This will give you minus a b. That's it. Let me check. Anyone has a correct answer regarding this? A square of a. Good at it. And first one is a. Okay. Okay, Karthik. Okay. First one is a. Okay. Now, so on the basis of this, I'm going to see just only one question. Like, what is the value of will be if x is equal to minus 3? Then the value of minus is x cube minus x square minus x. I'm just putting the value minus 3. So minus 3 is cube. Okay. Minus again minus 3 square. Again minus of minus 3. So the value of minus 3, it's like multiplication of consecutive 3. So not consecutive, it's a division of a regular 3 in negative numbers. This will see, there's one concept where if two negative number multiplying in the even times, then the overall value will be in the positive form. But if two negative number are multiplying in the odd form, then the answer will be definitely in overall negative. So here it's multiplying by minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. It's like 3 times and it's in the odd form. That's why the answer will be minus 27. Okay, minus. This is like it's a multiplication of 2 times. So this will be give you like 9. And this will give you minus of minus 3. I'm going to open my bracket. This will give you minus 27. This will give you minus 9. And this will give you plus 3. So minus 27, minus and minus. And the exact thing is like minus, minus, plus, but the overall sign will be minus. So 27 and 9 is equal to minus 36 plus 3. Since the value of minus sign is higher, then our answer will be minus 33. And answer is our option number B. Through this, I would like to just tell you only one thing, like the division, the multiplication of consecutive numbers, multiplication of positive and negative. So the if two numbers are one is positive, one is negative, then here the overall answer will be negative. If two positive numbers are multiplying, then the answer will be positive. If two negative numbers are multiplying even times, the answer will be again positive. And if two negative numbers are multiplying, three negative numbers are multiplying, all are negative and it's odd form, then the answer will be negative. Okay. Through this, so this is the format of negative number of odd form. This is the negative number of even form, and this is the single form. Plus 2, it's like minus a minus b. Here we can also write minus a plus b. So exactly our the operation will be in the addition form, but overall answer will be in the overall negative form. Okay. Let me raise this one. I'm coming to the chat box. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Yeah, good. Karthik being good, Karthik. Okay, thank you. Now let's move to the till now. If you have any problem, just let me know. If you have find out like any doubt you have, just let me know about this. Okay, no doubts. Okay. Now moving forward. Can you solve this question like x plus y, x by y is equal to 1 by 3? Then just don't see the solution part. Can you solve this one? X by y is equal to 1 by 3, then x square plus y square upon x square minus y square is equal to how much? I have done nothing. Okay, since it's given over here, we have x by y given. Okay, so it's x by y is equal to 1 by 3 given. Okay, so in that case, we don't have a specific value of x, neither we have a specific value of x, nor we have a specific value of y. And we cannot create, if I'm going to create any equation between x and y, this will be 3x is equal to y. That's it. There is nothing more and nothing less. There we can find from these equations. There are only one equation and two variables. It's very hard to find out the final exact value of this question. But if we are going run through this x square plus y square upon x square minus y square, what I'm doing is like now I'm going to convert this equation in the form of this x by y format. Here it's a form of a plus format, but I'm going to convert in the reciprocal, like x by y format. What I can do is like, we have to find out, we have to convert this equation x square this, okay, this equation in this format. So what we can do is like, suppose if I'm going to multiply and suppose if I'm going to divide from numerator and denominator by y square. So what will happen? It's like x square plus y square division by y square, again x square minus y square division by y square. So what will happen is like, now this y square will going to divide in both of this, okay, so this will run is like x square by y square, okay, plus y square by y square division of x square by y square minus y square by y square. This will give you 1. This will also give you 1. So the value will be x square by y square plus 1 and x square by y square minus 1, like this. Okay. And let me erase this one. Okay. Now this question is now easy, very easy. Now here over, I just am putting the value of, we can write this x square by y square is equal to x by y whole square plus 1, and this is like x by y whole square minus 1. Now I'm putting the value of x by y. This x by y is equal to 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 and 1 by 3 whole square minus 1. This will give you like how much? It's 1 by 9 plus 1, and this will give you 1 by 9 minus 1. So after taking the LCM, so successive LCM, I can write this one 1 plus 9 divided by 9, and this will be like 1 minus 9 divided by 9. Just like 10 by 9 divided by minus 8 upon 9. Okay. Same, the concept is like this will go upside and this will multiply over there. So the final equation will be like 10 into 9 upon 9 into minus 8. So this 9 cancel, and this will be like minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Just for the convention, we did not put our negative number in the denominator. That's why we are putting this one, since in the denominator it's minus 8, but it's a convention, like we don't write our negative numbers in the final negative number or negative sign in the denominator. That's why I'm putting this one in the numerator. So this is our final answer. What happened if they give you, like over there, if they give you y by x in the another question? What happened if they give you y by x is equal to 3? Okay, so what you will do in this question? Same question, I'm just putting the same question, just I'm reversing that format. Okay, if in for this question, okay, for this question, if they give you y by x is equal to 3, then what you will do? What exactly the first step you will do? I just want to know this. I'm not asking for the calculation part. I'm just asking what you will do if they give you y by x is equal to 3 for the specific question. Just coming to the chat box. Karthik, I'm just asking the same thing for this question only. Okay, for this question only, if the question is given in this format, all I'm asking is for what you will do. Okay, if instead of the question is same, but I'm just reversing the variables. If they give you y by x is equal to 3, then what you will do to solve this question? Okay, I just want to know the first step, what you will do once you see y by x is equal to 3, then what you will apply over here. Okay, so thing is like here it's given y by x. Okay, so instead of like here, okay, so instead of y by x, now we have to convert this variable in the format of y by x. Okay, so our it's already given x square plus y square. Now instead of division of x y square, now I'm going to divide x square. So I'm going to divide on the numerator x square and in denominator also x square. So our equation will be like this: y by x whole square, and this will like 1 upon y by x whole square. That's it. So instead of, if they give you such kind of equation, you have to find out which through which you have to divide. That's it. And you have to convert this equation or this variable in which format. This is very important. If they give you x by y, then you have to division by y. Okay, so if they give you y by x, then you have to divide. You have to eliminate this part, okay, so that our fraction will be very easy. Or if you are very confused, you can also write this as x by y is equal to 1 by 3, and you can follow the same procedure as we have done before. That's it. Okay, it's a very simple questions. Like I'm saying, all I'm saying, this question they have asked. Okay, so this question, all I can say, this question they have asked in the TCS NQT test. Okay, it's a kind of a very good questions. Okay, you have to apply something like which exactly, and it's complete like 2 to 3 concepts. See, the TCS NQT is only ask, it's not simple question they are going to ask. They're going to ask you some questions, okay, which exactly include one or max two minimum at least minimum 2 concept, maximum 3 to 4. Okay, over there you have to find out, you have to calculate each concept, you have to go through the each concept, find out the exact answer, and you have to apply some mind over here. That's why the question is slightly tricky, but it's like once you find the loophole, you can easily solve that question. Okay, let me show the chat box. If you have any doubt, just let me know before moving forward. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's good. Vatsal, Karthik, Vatsal, you have given the right answers. Yeah. This question, can you please see this question? If a minus b is, if a minus 8 is equal to b, then determine the value of mod of a minus b minus mod of b minus a. I just wait for you guys so you can solve this question, because here is a concept involved which is called mod, and the question is very easy. But only one thing, it's like here's a mod concept. That's why I'm waiting for your guys' answer. Like what will be the answer? Just solve for yourself. A minus 8 is equal to b, then determine the value of a minus b minus of mod b minus a is equal to what? Question is very easy. Let me do one thing. I'm just giving a one hint. Okay, so since a minus 8 is equal to b, so a minus b is equal to what? 8. What happened if it will be b minus a? This will be equal to minus 8. That's it. There's 2 things I just mentioned. Now it's your time to solve this question. The question is now very easy. Tell me, I'm just coming to the chat box. 0. Yeah, good, Karthik. The answer will be 0. Most students. Vatsal, just tell me. Jay, just tell me the answer. Arpit, Pranjul. Karthik, your answer is correct. It's 0. What will be the answer? Vatsal, can you please tell me? Okay, let me solve this thing for you. Now this question is very easy. It's like of mod of it's like 8 minus of mod of minus 8. Since there is any value it's in the negative form in the mod, then it will come outside after the mod and it will be the positive. So it's like the positive, it's already 8, and this will be also, since it's a negative, after coming from the mod it will also get positive. It's 0, or option number A. Yeah, Karthik, you're right. Okay, now this is our, I think, our final question. So this is very good question. Okay, they have asked you, according to this, they have asked you 3 to 4 times. They just convert some questions in another way. Like here it's given like x minus 1 by x is equal to 1, then what is the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to? Sometimes they also give you like x plus 1 by x, then value of, sometimes they also give you like x minus 1 by x, then value of x6 minus 1 upon x6 value. Tell me, how are you going to solve this? It's very easy though. Okay, you guys already have definitely have some idea like how you are going to solve this one. I'm giving one example. I'm just offering you something like as a hint. I can give you like it's a kind of a minus b whole q concept. That's it. If you are going to apply a minus b whole q concept, then you can solve this question. Now just let me know the answer. Coming to the chat box again. Cube both sides. Yeah, Karthik, but the final answer will be how much? I would like to know the final answer. Yeah, thank you, Divya. Divya, can you see the another question? Like I have already presented the another question. Let me know. See, it's not important like you know the answer and then you can easily calculate this one. The important thing is I am not able to see how much time you guys are taking. All I want to know, like this question is solved within 40 seconds. Okay. Now, to be very honest, just let me know, like, did you guys have really take the 40 seconds to solve this question? Max 40. I'm not giving you 1 minute too, but it's just a 40-second question. That's it. If you have proper remember of the formula, you can easily solve this one. Again, coming to the chat box, let me see if anyone has solved this. Yeah, Karthik, cube both sides is correct, but I would like to know the final answer. Vatsal, Karthik, Divya, Pranjul, Arpit, Jay, please let me know the final answer. What exactly the final answer? It's more than 60 seconds. I didn't got any answers. Okay, let me through this. Okay. See, since x minus 1 by x is equal to 1, so I can write this one x minus, I'm cubing both sides, okay? This will be go through this. Now the formula is aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b, okay? So x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 into ab, okay? So this is, we can consider this one as a, okay? And this whole things as b, okay? So I'm considering this as a and this is as b. So this is like aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. So it's like x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x is equal to, as if I'm going to do this cube part, so this is 1 cube. 1 cube is still is equal to 1. So x cube minus 1 by x cube. So this is going to be cancelled. Okay, so 3 into 1 into 1, okay, is equal to, and this value is exactly how much? It's is equal to 1. So I'm putting this one as 1 is equal to also 1. So x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to minus 3. Once the minus 3 into 1, it's equal to minus 3, and this minus 3 will come on right side and it will go as like 1 plus 3. This will go with plus 4. So x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 4. This is our final answer. So sometimes they give you this, okay, this to find out this. Sometimes they give you this to find out this, okay. The reciprocal is also formed. Like in some questions, see, if you know the formula, they can give you anything, okay. They can give you, like, sometimes they give you the value of x and 1 by x, then you have to find out the values, okay. So they can mold the question, but the formula is same for entire type of such kind of a question, okay. Okay, so cube both side, okay. Now, so I think this is all for today, and if you have any doubt in these questions, just let me know. Plus I would like to know, like, if any specific topic, see, today I just put the simplification part very easy, very normal, so that I can just revise. So the things that we have already learned in our 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th. But the thing is, like, since the last two questions you have already seen this question, okay, only this question is very important. Then the last two question is kind of a question they usually ask in our examinations, and you have to put not more than 60 seconds to solve this question. Yet in the examination, you don't have 60 seconds too, but still I just want to practice some so questions, okay. That's why I'm keep insisting you to go over the GFG side and find out, like, because over there for the specific topic we have just formed the specific questions. Just try lots of questions, more and more, because once you see the question in the final examination, in the original examination, you know, okay, now we have to solve this question, and this is our format, this is our solution, this is our formula, we just need to use. That's it, okay. You don't have to do the experimental part over there, okay. So this is all for today. Tomorrow we are going to learn the reasoning ability questions. And if you just the timing will be same, okay, and the numerical in the reasoning ability will find out like how to solve some question. Now tomorrow, yesterday we have already learned the reasoning ability, and tomorrow it's again the reasoning ability, okay. So I'm going to explore some questions which exactly came in our TCS examinations. I'm going to show you some mild level as well as the tough level questions in the examination which I am going to present in the tomorrow class, okay. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Be home, be safe. Thank you. Next tomorrow we are going to meet at the same time. Thank you, class. Thank you all.